No time? No problem. Here's how you can still build games as a hobby developer. You hardly have any time. Work, school, family, social media, your cat wants attention. And yet, you still want to develop games? Then, stay tuned, because I'll show you how to create a game, even if you don't have much time. Spoiler alert. You don't need a 40-hour week, just a little strategy and coffee. 1. Accept reality. You're not a full-time indie studio. You're a person with responsibilities. And that's okay. Game development as a hobby means having fun, not burning out. So, set realistic goals. No open-world RPG with 300 quests. Start with a mini-game. One level, one mechanic, one boss fight. Less is more, especially if you only have 3 hours per week. 2. Use your time wisely. You don't need long sessions. You need focused, micro-sprints. 20 minutes in the evening? Perfect for a bug fix. Sunday morning? Ideal for a new level design. Use tools like Trello, Notion, or simply a notebook to plan tasks. And most importantly, be clear about what you want to accomplish today. A clear focus saves you time and nerves. 3. Reuse instead of reinvent. You don't have to do everything yourself. Use assets, templates, open-source tools. There are thousands of free resources for Unity, Godot, Unreal, from music to code. You'll save time and can focus on what you enjoy. And hey, even professionals recycle. You can too. 4. Use the community. You are not alone. Discords, forums, YouTube tutorials, there are people everywhere who can help you. If you get stuck, ask. If you're motivated, share. The game dev community is like a multiplayer mode for learning. And sometimes a little tip is all it takes to save you 2 hours of debugging. 5. Celebrate progress. Even small steps are progress. A button that works? Celebrate. One less bug? Celebrate. Finished a level? Post a screenshot. Motivation doesn't come from big milestones, but from small successes. So, document your journey. Make devlogs. Share your journey. Call to action. You don't have much time, but you have ideas. So get started. Today. Now. Write down a mini task and do it. Until next time, and don't forget, even small games are big successes.